Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're talking about the weather. We're talking about making deductions about the weather. What we think might have happened while we were asleep, while we were doing something else and couldn't see what was happening outside. Have a look at the sky. There are still some clouds in the sky, but now the sun is shining and there's some blue sky. Yet there's a puddle on the ground. So what can you say about the weather? Well, you could say it has rained. Acceptable, it's okay grammatically, but it's not very exciting. It's quite a basic sentence. Present perfect, it has rained. A bit boring. To make it more exciting, you could say it has been raining. Add some duration to the sentence. Present perfect continuous. Sounds much nicer. It has been raining. But looking at the weather, the sun is now shining. There are still clouds in the sky. There are puddles on the ground. So use deduction. Use must have and use must have with present perfect continuous. And then you say, it must have been raining during the night, in the early morning. It must have been raining. It must have, must have. It must have been raining. It must have been raining during the night. The ground is a little bit wet. There are puddles on the ground, but now the sky is getting bluer. The clouds are clearing. The sun is shining again. It must have been raining. English grammar, it's easy peasy. Have a good day. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.